salsa and tortillas. Chips and dip in general. It's beautiful. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you had a great Christmas, by the way. Hope you are enjoying your time over the holidays, eating that good food. But yeah, so basically New Year's is going to be coming up. Depending on when I post this, maybe the next day or the day of, but it's coming up. Needless to say, I came up with a New Year's glam look. I want to stay away from, when I think New Year's makeup, I just think silver glitter, like all the time, the silver glitter, and I'm just like, I don't want to do that, and that's what I did in my last year New Year's video. So I'm like, what can I do that's just different for me? And I'm like, oh my gosh, a black smoky eye, but still with some glitter. And I'm really happy the way this came out. I haven't done a black smoky eye for like years, like a while, so I'm glad, you know, I still got the technique intact. But yeah, I think it's cute. You know, I still think it reads New Year's, and I just wore this sparkly little sequence shirt. So just add to the look, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, if you want to see how I got this New Year's Eve glam look, just make sure that you keep on watching. For my eyeshadow base, I'm using the Colorpop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the color medium 26. So I applied that on my lid, spread it out with my finger as my base. I'm now going to take my Violet Voss palette, like a boss eyeshadow palette, open her up, and I'm going to take, where are you? I'm going to take this big ass brush. That's not an eyeshadow brush, but I just don't need precision at this very moment. So I'm going to take Serve as my transition color. And I'm going to kind of apply that all up in the crease and bring it up to the brow bone area as well. Doesn't have to be perfect as of yet, so that's why I'm using the brush. It just saves time. Like, I went with a smaller brush, and I'm just like, no, I'm not about this life. I'm like, nope. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take Strong, just a little dab of it, and I'm gonna apply it in my crease as well. This time I'm gonna be a bit more delicate and just a tad bit more precise. I'm just gonna take Strong again, and now I'm gonna be a bit more precise with it. I'm gonna put that into my crease. I took a smaller brush, by the way. Pretty sure it's gonna be black. I'm also gonna take Wreck. It's like this reddish type color, and I'm gonna, ooh, that's a bit much. It's okay, make it work. Blending that into everything. Next, I'm going to take this black eyeliner pencil. It's eyeliner pencil that has a glitter in it, and it's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, but I'm basically just going to put that on my lid as my base, and just to help give my eyeshadow some more structure and something to kind of hold on to. I'm literally just going to take the pencil, put it onto my lid. Yeah, see, it has more of like a gray tint to it, but it's okay. And I'm just going to take my finger, kind of blend that out, and then take my brush to help blend. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the Violet Voss palette. This whole look is honestly Violet Voss, like a Voss palette. I'm going to take the black eyeshadow. It is called Inspo. Really gonna pack that on there. As you can see, that's one side of the brush, that's the side with the black eyeshadow. And we're gonna, less is more. Even though I put on a lot, but I'm making sure that I concentrate it onto my lid and I don't drag it up too high because we worry about the blending afterwards. Just pack on your color now, but keep it low because it will blend out. Black is a very powerful color when it comes to eyeshadow, so don't get too excited with it. Okay, so I have my shadow on, basically the whole base of it. I'm now going to take a smaller brush and I'm now going to buff out and blend out that edge. I'm going to blend it upwards into my crease area. Okay, so now that we have our eyeshadow on, pretty much everything's blended out, I could stop here if I wanted to, but I'm gonna continue. So I'm gonna be taking some black glitter that I have and I just poured the glitter into this tray that I have, so that's it right there. And I'm also gonna be taking, here it is. I'm gonna be taking some silver glitter, just a little bit. Like I literally just poured. I'm not gonna use that much. That's like way too much. And I'm literally just gonna drop a little dabble in there. Probably put too much. And I'm also gonna take this NYX glitter that I have. Oh, face and body glitter. Okay. It's from NYX. It is like a completely like white iridescent glitter that has like reflex of green in it, I would say, a bit of purple. I'm going to put just a bit of that. I'm going to mix it in with just the bottom of the brush I have, any brush, doesn't matter. I'm taking my NYX glitter glue, just going to put that on the back of my hand. About a pea size is good. And then I'm going to be taking this brush I have here that's flat. I'm going to take a really good amount of glitter glue. Gonna take my glitter, get it on that brush, and I'm just gonna pack that on. I mainly put it at the inner part of my eye. I don't spread the glitter all the way to inner to outer. Okay. Packing that on, and it's okay if you go above the crease. Sorry, I might be blocking the way. Okay, so our glitter is on. Hopefully you guys can see that. And now that that's on, I wanted just a bit more of a pop. I don't know if you can even see that, but I basically put you know, something more bright in my inner tear duct area, just to open my eyes up a bit more. So what I used for that is my MAC highlighter in Oh Darling. It's this gold shade. It's a nice pretty gold shade. Just taking my brush, packing it on. I'm just gonna press that into my tear duct. Going back with that black inspo color from the Voss palette. Just gonna go in my waterline, a little below my waterline. I'm gonna smoke everything out. Ooh, too much. Now I'm just gonna take my mascara, apply that onto my bottom eyelashes. Okay guys, I am back. So I applied my lash. So our eyes are completely done. I also took a makeup wipe and I just cleaned around my eye area. Or cleaned off whatever I didn't want there. Now moving on to my face. I'm going to be taking the Cover FX Blurring Primer and I am just going to use this as my primer. Apply this all over. Okay. Now I'm going to correct because I got a lot of scars going on as of lately. So I'm going to correct that with my orange concealer by LA Girl. Yeah, it's been breaking out a lot. Even have one on my neck. Gotta love that. And then to diffuse that orange corrector, I like to always put a concealer on top of it. It doesn't matter which one it is, just a lighter concealer to put on top because it's a really pigmented orange corrector. And if I don't do this, sometimes it just blends into my foundation and it just creates more of an orange tint to it than it should. So, and plus this way, I get more coverage. So, I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. So now I'm gonna take my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Maria, and I'm going to apply that on my face. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This stuff is running out. Like I need to get more. So I'm literally like at the point where I'm like swirling it around. It's so bad. And I'm just gonna apply that all over. Yeah, I've been doing this lately, like applying my concealer and my foundation all at the same time. I don't know. I just feel like it blends in. It's just a nice seamless kind of look. Plus it saves so much time. Am I weird for that? Like, I don't know. And then I'm gonna take my Colorpop No Filter Concealer. It's light. I can make it work. I can't use this by itself as a concealer to highlight with. Then I'm just gonna look crazy. So I just put it literally in a corner and I just make sure I blend it with something that is warmer to help neutralize it. It does give me a nice type of brighten look, but slightly disappointed on that. But it's cool because, you know, I still make it work, but I just can't completely jump into it. Going to blend that out. You got to let it go. To contour, I'm going to be taking the Colorpop No Filter Concealer as well. This is what I was talking about. Like this, I wanted one to conceal with, but this honestly isn't too bad, but it's still running on the cooler side. Yeah, I'm just going to apply that to where it needs to go. My forehead. Just going to buff that in using a big brush. I'm going to be taking the Morphe Bontour. This one is in Showmance. So Bontour, what they mean by that is it's a bronzer mixed with a contour. Bontour. So it has two colors right here. This one I think is Show, and this is Romance. So Showmance. Everything's combined in a name, I guess. So one's a contour, one's a bronzer. So I'm going to take the contour shade and apply that on top of what I just did to set that, plus deepen it even more because I like a good contour. Got to let it go. I'm gonna be taking the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. It's like nearly done. That same big brush I used for my transition, I'm going to be taking my MAC. I'm going to highlight with it. So I'm going to take my MAC Oh Darling highlighter, swish that around, plop her on. And of course, I actually realized how much I love this highlighter palette. Like, I just feel like it melts everything in on my highlighter, like just into my skin so much better. It's funny, because at first I was skeptical about it, but you know how things just grow on you. So I'm taking my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I'm taking Tahiti, the non-existent Tahiti color that you see there. I also mix Zanzibar and seashells together, so I mix these three together. I don't really use the shade because it's a liquid. Actually, it's like a cream consistency, so it's a bit more tricky to work with. And if I really got the time, I'm just feeling the whole moment, I'll go into it. But sometimes, girl, I got time for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend everything together. Seashells I put on last because it's a bit more powerful, so I don't need as much. And I'm just gonna put that right on top. Some more Glittery spray died on me, so sorry about that, guys. I mean, I left off spraying my face, so you didn't really miss much anyways. But yeah, so now I'm gonna move on to lips, and I'm gonna combine both of these products here. So I'm gonna be using my Colorpop Ultra Matte Lip. This color is gorgeous. It's very dark, but gorgeous. This is in Limbo. Yes, Limbo. And I'm going to put that everywhere. And it dries matte. I'm kind of, in a sense, going to use it as my lip liner as well. So I'm going to overdraw my lips with it. Okay, that's better. Sorry. My lighting was kind of off there. I'm like, oh, this is not right. Now you can see what's going on. Let it go. You got to let it go. Okay, so that's how Limbo looks on me. But I don't want, you know, dark eyes, dark lips. So that's why I'm going to be using the MAC lipstick in the color Sis. It's this very, like, light nude shade. It's very light. It's probably lighter than it looks, to be honest with you. I'm going to place that more so in the center of my lip. You got to let it go. I'm gonna add some glitter to this. I didn't want to, but I just feel like I need to, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So for gloss, I grabbed my MAC lip gloss. It's the Mariah Carey edition in Butterfly Bling. I'm just gonna place this on the center of my lip. Shit, shiny. And then just kind of move around with my actual lips. I don't want too much. Just enough to make it pop, you know? And that is the finished look. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and just took something from that black smoky eye tutorial that I did for you. And most of all, I hope you have an amazing 2019 as we roll into it. I hope it brings you nothing but success and opportunity and happiness and love and all that great stuff. I hope that that's what it brings me. And yeah, I hope you stay safe celebrating the new year. I know some people celebrate it. Some people take that seriously, that night very seriously. Some people just don't care, but regardless, just going into New Year, I hope you guys are safe. Hope you guys enjoy it. And happy 2019. Happy New Year's. It's crazy that this year is done already. Like, it flew by. But yeah, I will see you in my next video in the new year. Bye, guys.